In this video, I'm going to show how the DDJ 1000 works in the pad effects mode using Record Box from Pioneer DJ. So I'm going to play back the track right here. And I'm going to just push the pad effects button. These are temporary unlatched effects, so I hold it down and it'll be engaged. And when I release it, it'll be dropped out. The top or the left 6 pads can be all played simultaneously. These 2 pads on the right, they're for echoing out or just sort of finishing the phrase. There's a little bit of a delay one. You can see how the track is playing in the background, so you can still play through. If I press my page over, then I get a bunch of other effects.